Well, the noise you hear in the background is my auto tire inflator. The leak I have is hopefully something that takes at least 15-20 minutes before the tire goes flat, because I found a discount tire which is 15 miles away, which they said is about 20 minutes. And if my tire will hold pressure long enough, I don't know if some of you newbies knew this, but Discount Tire will repair any tire, whether it's bought at Discount Tire or not, if it's repairable, for free. So if you've got a tire that's, hey, get out of here. Get. I got a mouse in the RV. Unbelievable. Left that door open for 2 seconds and I got a mouse in the RV, came into the cab, went looking for it. He's in here somewhere, he or she, but disappeared. So later today I gotta do mouse hunting. Something else fun to do. As always, you want to see what it's like when it's day to day, keep watching and I'll keep posting. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye.